Good afternoon, dear subscribers and our guests. The easiest way is to get the ribs at the store, of course. Vacuum-packed ribs already have the excess fat trimmed off. The only thing left to do is remove the membrane that covers the inner side of the ribs. There's no way around it. The membrane blocks even marinating and causes the ribs to tighten up, so they warp over the heat. The easiest way to remove it is by hand, using paper towels so your fingers don't slip. Then cut the rack into pieces of 2 to 3 ribs each. They'll fit easily on the grill and will be much easier to handle. Start cooking the ribs over indirect heat until they're partially done. Then wrap them in 2 layers of foil and cook them through. At the end, remove the foil, brush the ribs with glaze, and leave them on for another 10 minutes. Well, that's all for today.
To be continued. Stay with us.